Okay, so we go A equals BH, so it's B times H, base times height. Now, if we look at this particular question, we can see that there are actually 3 dimensions given. We've got this 8 centimeters on this top line here, on this top side. We've got a dimension shown here at 5 centimeters, and we've also got 8 centimeters. Now, the base and the height, they have to be at 90 degrees to each other. So if I look at this line, that's not at 90 degrees to this line or this line. So it can't be that. It's got to be 8 and 5 because it's indicated here that this is 90 degrees. Okay, so let's go with those 2 dimensions. So area equals, we now know the base, which is 8, multiplied by the height, which is 5. And 8 times 5 is 40. Units of measurement, centimeters. We're talking area, so they've got to be squared units. This one over here, we've got a similar problem here. We've got 3 different dimensions given. This particular line here, that is not at 90 degrees to any of the other sides, so that's got to be cancelled out. We don't need that one. So it's basically area equals base times height. So we now know the dimensions. So the base, we'll use this one here, so 22.5 multiplied by 35.1. And we can use our calculators for this, so make it a bit easier on ourselves. Okay, having a bit of trouble there with my pen. Okay, so we use our calculator. So it's going to be 22.5 times 35.1. Okay, and that's 78975. So 789. Just check. 75. What's the unit of measurement? In this case, it's meters. We're talking area, so they're meters squared. Okay, and so for the last one over here, let's go with A equals base times height. A equals, I can see that this line is not at 90 degrees to any other side, so get rid of that. So the base, let's call it 9.2. The height, 16.6. Okay, we're going to use our calculator again, so let's do that. It's going to be 9.2 times 16.6, 152.72. We're talking meters, area, units squared, squared meters, done.